Tom, I have heard that Witcher is setting up a coach business.
Yeah, I've heard that too. A business coaching business.
Yeah, I want to help him.
Really? I thought you two had some bad blood between you.
Yeah, but I am being the bigger man, the better person, etc., etc.
Burying the hatchet?
Yeah, I want to bury the hatchet in him.
With him.
What?
You said burying the hatchet in him. It's with him.
You say potato, I say, I know what I said.
Anyway, so how are you planning on helping him?
I'm going to get Nick Fig to do Advert for his coach business. Hello, Nick Fig here, respected businessman and bon voyeur. Do you have a business? Do you need a coach? Did you know that now Witcher offers coach for business? You might be thinking, isn't Witcher too old? Yeah, he is old, very old. But that is experience. There is no one else who can remember when the wheel was invented. So naturally, he is very good for coaches. Coaches for Business by Witcher. Taking your business places. Nick Fig, respected businessman.